Are we still dealing with rain out there?
Yeah, we will be for the next hour, hour and a half if you're along the coast. But these rain showers, they're coming in waves, right? We've got rain ahead of a cold front moving in. Here's a look at the picture. You see the showers across central Florida, but you see some showers just behind the front itself, where we do have severe thunderstorms on the Florida-Georgia line further up towards the north. And that's what's going to be making its way closer to us over the course of your overnight hours. So we're going to have another batch of showers heading our direction. Let's talk about the here and now, though. Across the I-95 corridor, you see the hundreds of lightning strikes offshore, and some of them still on land right now, in which we're still watching out for this sea breeze collision. Now, the general movement of these showers and storms is from the southwest to the north and the east, but what it's colliding with is that sea breeze coming in from the east as well. So that's only increasing the instability, hence the reason why we see those stronger storms across our coastline in areas like Titusville, Mims, Port St. John, across the Kennedy Parkway as well. You guys are watching the showers come down at a moderate rate. Thankfully, these showers and storms are moving a little bit faster than the ones that we've seen over the course of the last few weekends. Therefore, if the rain is overhead, it's not going to last forever due to the fast-moving nature of these showers and storms. Looks like along Toll 528, we're still watching the showers coming in from the south and the west as well. We'll zoom in nice and tight here across State Highway 520, Nova Road. You guys see moderate rain as well. Further off towards the south, we're still watching the showers in parts of Osceola County. But back towards Melbourne, this is a new batch of rain that is directly overhead right now. Let's go outside in Melbourne, where temperatures still show 80 degrees. As we were trending warm this Sunday, most of us are back in the mid and the lower 70s now as the sun is officially set, but 80 on the dot for Melbourne. Titusville, this is where we saw the most significant rain already today, 3 inches. Oviedo, 1.96, Buda, 1.95, Black Hammock, Scottsmore, still above or right around 1.5 inches. I mentioned that we'll see these showers along our coastal communities push offshore just by 8 o'clock. And what we're going to be left with, breezy conditions overnight. And here comes a new round of rain sliding in from the Gulf Coast, in which overnight we can see the rain in Leesburg, places like the Land, Daytona Beach as well. Not as significantly strong as we have seen so far this afternoon. But once the rain finally comes to an end out the door on Monday morning, we're breezy, right? These are your sustained winds or gusts, in which we could possibly see gusts anywhere between 20 and 25 miles per hour under clearer skies tomorrow. So the sunshine is going to be back. It will be cooler and it will be breezy outdoors tomorrow. We're going to hold on to impact weather for the next hour here in Central Florida, and then we'll see the showers and storms taper offshore. Ultimately, though, Monday and Tuesday are going to be some of the coolest days that we've had so far throughout the fall season. High pressure is going to dominate our forecast, which means sunshine is going to be back, but under these cool temperatures, we'll drop into the 30s and 40s out the door on Tuesday morning. Therefore, we do have a freeze watch in place for the western half of Marion County, as temperatures here could be dropping as low as 30 degrees. Record-setting numbers in Ocala. You'll be coming close to a record, actually likely breaking a record in Orlando, and you'll be breaking records in places like Sanford and Leesburg, as the cool air is going to be felt everywhere. But once you factor in the wind chill, look how low the numbers drop in places along I-75, Ocala, the Villages, Wildwood, all back in the 20s to start off your Tuesday morning. As far as feels like temperatures go, that wind chill factor. So make sure you got the winter attire. If you haven't grabbed it out of the attic quite yet, you'll need it on Tuesday and Wednesday. Impact weather on Tuesday due to the cool nature of our temperatures. Eventually, though, we'll be back in the lower 80s on Saturday and Sunday.